Tapos ano si Tatay Digong po?
Yes, okay. Just to give a brief summary, first thing when we sat down, the first thing he did was compliment my duster because ayun, I didn't have time. I was quite sick. Actually, dun ako naghilamos sa loob actually. So he complimented my duster kasi it's the same one that I used to wear when we would sleep beside each other. So, thank you. So I think it kind of gave him a glimpse of home, you know, yung pambahay ko. And ayun, I was blabbing about family, of course, it's the same thing. And then biglang may langaw. So, hindi siya nakikinig sa akin. Hinuhuli niya yung langaw. And then, sabi ko, "Hoy, are you listening to me?" Sabi niya, he was distracted today because of the fly, apparently. But, towards the latter part of our conversation, he's happy to hear that the family is doing well, and of course he was checking up on me because I told him before coming here I had to run to the pharmacy to get some medication. But ayun, he said as long as I'm doing okay, he's fine. And I told him that all of you are waiting here today, so he sends his warm love and regards, of course. And then he says na no regrets and no apologies. He did what he could for his country.
Yeah.
So, and then ayun, hi daw sa inyo. Sabi ko, do you wanna say something? Because all of them, they wait outside for you every day. So, ayun, hello, and his love and gratitude, and ayun, yung message niya.
Okay. Now, can you accommodate the first timers at least for pictures? The first timers.
Can we do it?
Yeah. Oh, first timers. Go.
And how is his health? Okay.
His health is okay. He's eating. He ate before I visited, but I also brought him a few snacks again. This one.
Yeah, Doritos. Okay. Okay, yan na ba yung picture mo? Okay, ready, set, go.
You're very beautiful, my God.
Kit, were you able to talk about Kadayawan?
Yes, I was able to mention. Then sabi ko, malungkot yung Davao, walang prutas. Kasi wala ka. And then he laughed.
Okay. Thank you, Kit.
Thank you.
Next.